Welcome to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host, Mikey. Today, I'm going to explore a series, and this is for corner to corner. And I had a dream last night thinking that I can actually do corner to corner without actually going corner to corner, but using tip to tip. So I had a dream, I saw it, and I spent the day working today to figure out how it could be done. So in this particular series, we're going to explore different ways to be able to take your corner to corner and transition it either to something flat, changing it to flat, and then going back to corner if you want to, or just taking it corner to corner, keeping it flat straight up, and then going back into a corner to corner. And each one of these will be part of the series. So let's get started. And I'm going to assume that you already know how to do corner to corner. And if you don't, just see the video description. There is a video there for learning the basics of corner to corner. And we're going to be picking up on the corner to corner. So regardless if it is rectangle or square, both sides are going to decrease at the same time, and you can apply this method if you want to. So this will allow you to do a scarf where you can have the point facing down, because using corner to corner, the scarves are always flat and going straight on up. And this will also allow you to, for the other side, to also have a point by doing it in this method. So without further ado, we're going to get started and start your beginning lesson starting in the next video that is on your screen. Let's begin.